Chapter 17 Weather and Climate. Weather is the most prominent factor of the environment that affects us the most. That's why man has been very eager to predict the weather condition. In our scientific world, meteorologists study the changing pattern of weather and predict the condition of weather on day-to-day basis. They also give timely alert if the weather is going to be very rough. Weather. Weather is defined as the state of temperature, atmospheric pressure, winds, humidity, precipitation, etc. in the atmosphere at a given place and time. The term weather should not be confused with climate. Climate is defined as the average overall condition of the temperature, atmospheric pressure, winds, humidity, precipitation, etc. over a large region for a long period of time. Therefore, climate is the average weather condition over a large area for a period of about 35 to 40 years. Atmospheric temperature. The sun is the only source of heat and light to the earth. Heat energy, which we receive from the sun, comes to us in the form of solar radiation. The amount of solar radiation received by the earth's surface is called insolation. The amount of insolation received on the surface of the earth varies from place to place and from time to time. Heating of the atmosphere. The solar radiation which passes through the atmosphere before reaching the earth's surface does not heat it much. But the solar radiation is able to heat the earth's surface directly. The air resting over the earth's surface gets heated due to contact with the hot surface of the earth. This heat is further transmitted to the upper layers and the atmosphere is heated. Distribution of temperature. The temperature of atmosphere is not the same everywhere all the time. It varies from place to place and time to time. The temperature of a place is directly dependent on the amount of insolation received by that place. In general, the amount of insolation received decreases as we move from the equator towards the poles. Atmospheric pressure. You already know that air is also a matter and hence has weight. It exerts pressure on the surface of the earth. This pressure is known as atmospheric pressure. The weight of an air column standing over 1 square centimeter area of the earth is more than 1 kg. The weight of the air column is maximum at the mean sea level. The instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure is called barometer. The normal atmospheric pressure at sea level is about 76 centimeter of the mercury column in the barometer. Millibar or MB is the unit for measuring atmospheric pressure. Distribution of atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure also varies from place to place. Atmospheric pressure is highest at the sea level. But on the mountains, the thickness and density of air column is less, and hence the atmospheric pressure is also less. Atmospheric pressure differs from place to place, just due to unequal heating of the atmosphere. Normally, the atmospheric pressure should increase from the equator towards the poles, but it is not so. At some places, it is modified by the Earth's rotation. There are 7 major pressure belts on the Earth, and these are not continuous. Winds. Moving air is called wind. It moves from high pressure region to low pressure region. The vertical movement of air is called air current. Wind is named after the direction from which it blows. If the wind blows from the western side, it is called west wind. The speed of the wind also varies greatly. If there is a quick change in atmospheric pressure, it causes the wind to blow fast, and vice versa. The instrument used to know the direction of wind is called wind vane. The speed of the wind is measured with an anemometer. Planetary winds. Winds that blow constantly in a particular direction throughout the year are known as prevailing winds or permanent winds or planetary winds. The main types of planetary winds are the trade winds, the westerlies, and the polar winds. Periodic winds. Some winds change their direction periodically. These winds blow in a definite direction during a particular period of the day or year. Such winds are called periodic winds. The main types of periodic winds are the monsoon winds and land and sea breezes.